For those of you that don't know me, my name is Matt Kohler, one of the 3 owners of Starcom Racing. And we are doing a cook-off this weekend against the team chef, Andy Combs. So I'm getting ready to head over to Billy Walleman's house and Luann Walleman, the Walleman's house this evening. I'm going to be doing my cooking over there. So we're at the Walleman residence where we are going to start our prep soon. So let me show you guys what we've got here. We have our setup here. Then we come over to our grill station. So everything will be prepared outdoors. We have a lovely view. Lovely view of the bay and the bridge, the Seaside Bridge, if you can see over here. So we're going to get to it. Again, large 32 to 40 ounce porterhouses. So I have my daughter Samantha helping me out here with prep for the clams, shrimp, and chorizo. So now we're ready to put the clams and the shrimp with wine and a little bit of tomato sauce in here. So Billy, come close here. So far we have the chorizo, the onions and the garlic sauteing. We're going to put in a bunch of, we have 50 little neck clams that we're going to put in. Wild caught Gulf shrimp. Bounce. Got those there. Then we're going to put in a little bit of white cooking wine. A little bit of tomato sauce. Doesn't matter what can. Just generic tomato sauce. Sprinkle some of that in there. Then tops on until the clams open. We have Parmesan encrusted potatoes.
Fantastic, I love it. Very good, very flavorful. Perfect, you did exactly what I asked, very good. And if I had to put a number score on it, I'd say a 9.5.
Ooh, a 9.5, I'll take a 9.5.
Parmesan potatoes, delicious. They're different. I like them. Better than what I've made of Brussels sprouts. My Brussels sprouts never been out as good.
This is the final product.
Potatoes are great. Very tender, flavorful. Ooh, the sauce is really good. The sauce is very good.
That's the first time I tried that too. Yeah.
That's really good. Love the sauce.
So in closing, we had 12 pounds of porterhouse. We had about 20 people here tonight. 3 judges. Everything turned out really good. I could have tweaked a couple of things, but in the grand scheme of things, I think that I did pretty well for entertaining this many people. But I'll have to give Andy some credit because he does it for about 200 people every weekend. I couldn't do that. To be able to do that, to be able to entertain outdoors, to have everything on point, Andy's, cheers to you, buddy. Appreciate everything you do. Thank you. Here's to Starcom Racing.
Okay, so I just finished making a bruschetta. What you do with a basic bruschetta is we're using plum tomatoes. They're a little extra sweet. You put the plum tomatoes in here. I have an olive oil balsamic glazed mix, fresh basil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Very basic, very good, very strong flavor. These are actually nice and soft, so they're going to absorb all the extra liquid that I have in there. I don't know, I have a lot of it. So what I'm making here is a nice summer country salad, and we're going to actually change it up a little bit. The next thing I'm going to make is a carbonara pancetta, shrimp and asparagus with a saffron cream sauce. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got here.
Get a big old shrimp.
Asparagus, right?
Yep. Brooklyn's trying the
Summer peach caprese salad. See what she says. She's a cook at home, she says.
Oh yeah, see, that's how you eat it. There
And
you
how,
go.
yes, you have to get all the flavors melded together.
Perfect.
So how is it? All right.